What's going on, YouTube? I got this little wireless doorbell from Amazon, of course. Get all my stuff from Amazon. And this little wireless doorbell was $16.99. It's made by Govee, Govee. But who knows if that's really true or not, because there's a whole bunch of these doorbells on Amazon that look all exactly the same, have the same exact functions, under all kinds of different brand names. So I just picked the one that had the best reviews, even though I think they're all the same. And so I got the Govee one, and it just showed up. Came in this nice little looking iPhone box that everybody's putting their stuff in. This one's waterproof. It complies with IP44, waterproof standard, whatever that means. No electronic magnetic radiation. Well, that's good. 300 meters, so it's like good up to 1,000 feet. 4 different levels of volume. SMT technology integration design. That's probably a bunch of BS. Who knows what that means? And it's got super power saving mode. Wow. But $16.99 for a wireless doorbell. I'll open this up here and we'll see what it looks like. These are great if your doorbell system goes bad in your house. It's a lot cheaper to do one of these wireless doorbells than trying to fix your doorbell system in your house, because a lot of times it's a mouse or a lizard or something that ate the cables in your house, and so your alarm system doesn't work anymore, or there's a short somewhere. But pretty cool. Comes with 2 receivers. The receivers plug into an outlet. They're really small. I already tried one in an outlet, and the good thing about these is when you put it in the outlet, you can still use the top outlet, which is nice. And the other brands, it covers up both the bottom and the top outlet. It's kind of cool. It comes with a screwdriver and a battery and some anchors, some wall anchors, some screws. And then here's the doorbell. Nicely packaged. Just a little button. Supposedly when you hit the button, once the battery's in there, when you hit the button, it lights up with a blue LED so people know that they've pressed the alarm. You can install this on the back. You can install it with screws, or you can install it with this adhesive backing that they give you here. And then here's the other receiver. And once I get this installed, I'll do a little video so you can hear the wonderful sounds that come out of it. Supposedly you can play 36 different chimes, and some of the chimes include popular music, though people say some of the popular music stuff sounds a little funky, but I'm probably just going to use it on the regular doorbell function. There you go. I'll put the link below in the description. I'll put a link there to Amazon to where you can get your very own Govee waterproof wireless doorbell. Thanks for looking.